Hello, David.
Good morning, Anna.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good too. Ready for coffee?
Yes, let's go inside.
Hello, welcome to the cafe.
Hello.
Hi.
Here is the menu. Please take a look.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I think I will take a cafe latte.
Cafe latte? Is it strong?
No, not too strong. It has milk.
Okay, I will try a cappuccino. It has more foam, right?
Yes, it's a little stronger too.
One cafe latte and one cappuccino, please.
Sure, will you pay by card or cash?
Cash.
The total is $15.
Here you go. $15.
Thank you. Please take a seat. We will bring your coffee soon.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's sit over there near the window.
Good idea. I like the light.
This cafe is nice. It feels calm.
Yes, I like the music too. It's soft.
Do you come here often?
Not really. Maybe once a month.
We should come here more. It's peaceful.
Hi, here is your cafe latte and your cappuccino.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your drinks.
Anna and David enjoyed a nice morning at the cafe. They ordered coffee, talked about their drinks, and had a fun conversation. Did you like this simple English dialogue? If you missed episode 1, where Anna and David meet at the park, you can watch it now. The link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English conversations. In the next episode, Anna goes to the airport. Stay tuned.